I'm here at Galley Bay and I'm in a Paul Gauguin suite. And let me tell you, this is very, very unique. So this is not the highest room category, believe it or not, only because it's not right on the beach, but my gosh, this is unique. I personally would give up being beachfront to stay here. So here is the main bedroom. Look how beautiful. And when I walked in, I said, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm in Smurf Village because they have all of these little villas and they're beautiful. So you see you have this great sitting area. We saw the master bedroom, closet area. Look at the shower. Again, you have this unique ceiling, these domed type ceilings. And then again, even though you're not on the beach, you're literally steps from the beach, but you have this whole area right here to lounge. It's very private, and you have a plunge pool here. So each of these suites has its own plunge pool, so you can hang out here or you can head down to the beach. I love this for honeymooners, anniversary getaway. This is truly something unique and special, and you're not gonna find something like this every day. So in my opinion, even though you are not beachfront, when I say the walk is maybe 3 minutes, that's it. And then you get to come home to this beautiful suite. The architecture is just really, really cool. Hard to find something like this. So I am here at Galley Bay. This is adult only, all inclusive in Antigua.